Hey guys, this is Gary. So this weekend we launched a new feature that we've gotten a lot of requests for, and it's the ability for you to send an online application to a client, an indemnitor, or whoever wants to co-sign. So right now what you could do, if you look at the top right of your Bellbooks account, there's a link that says send online application to a client. If you click on that, you'll see that you get this pop-up screen, and below you can enter in a single email address or you can enter in multiple email addresses. So if you have a big bond and you want to send out an application to say 5 or 2 people, go ahead and enter their email address. And then you can, again, if you're going to send multiple, just separate it with a comma, and then you can put the other email address. So I'm just going to use my email addresses, and then hit send invite. Action was successful. So if I go to my email address here, you'll see I just got an email from no reply online application form. So if I click on that, and the reason I'm getting 2 is because I sent it to Gary Casso at Gmail and Gary at Bellbooks. So there's a link that they can click on. Again, this link is encrypted, so there's by token, and these links expire after 24 hours. So if the person doesn't click on the link within 24 hours, they'll have to ask you to send another one. But once they click on the link, it'll take them to an online application. So if they have an iPhone, a tablet, or even a computer screen like this, you'll see where it asks their basic information that are required fields: first name, last name, go down to personal information, contact info, employer, so forth. Once they hit save, it'll tell them that it'll thank them for filling out the application and give them your agency name and phone number if they have any more questions. But if you go back into your Bellbooks account, under clients, that person that filled that information will be a client now. So when you go do a bond, say an hour or 2 or the next day, when you go new bond, that client's information's in there. So you'll just select existing client. Again, we've gotten a lot of questions about wanting this feature, and we finally got to it. So I would go ahead and give it a try. Again, this is perfect for any co-signers that are calling you from out of state or even in the state, but they can't come down to you for whatever reason. Just click on the link, send online application. Thanks. If you have any questions, give me a call.